Imagine discovering that a script or design you spent weeks perfected is out there, someone else is monetizing it, and you have no way to prove you created it first. To solve this, we have to stop reacting to theft after it happens. Instead, we need to build a permanent, verifiable record of your work from day one. In this video, we are going to build a time-stamped proof of ownership for one of your digital assets, and we will do it without exposing your private files to the public. Step 1 is gathering your materials. You need a finalized digital file, access to a private cloud storage drive, and an active account on a blockchain IP registry. By learning this workflow, you prepare your documentation before a dispute has a chance to begin. First, take your finalized digital template or script and isolate it inside a locked private cloud storage folder. Do not upload this original raw file directly to a public blockchain ledger. Blockchains are public, so anything placed there remains visible indefinitely. Instead, we generate what is called a cryptographic hash. This is a unique alphanumeric string that represents your specific file without revealing its contents. The hashing tool reads the file data and outputs a 64-character string as a digital fingerprint. If you alter a single pixel in the original, the hash changes entirely. This makes it easy to detect if a file was tampered with. This specific process separates your privacy from the proof of ownership. You can now use the hash to demonstrate possession of the original work without ever exposing the work itself. Now that you have your digital fingerprint, copy that 64-character hash string and log into your chosen blockchain IP registry. Paste the hash into the platform's registration field to record the fingerprint on the blockchain. The network will issue a verification receipt. This confirms the exact date, the exact time, and the specific hash you submitted. That moment of registration creates a chronological anchor. It serves as cryptographic evidence that your file existed at that specific point in time. This provides a record that can be audited by third parties long after platform logs or emails have been deleted. Proving you made something is only half the process. You can also use the blockchain to dictate how others are allowed to use that asset. By registering your work on a platform that supports smart contracts, you can link your file hash to specific usage rules. Tracking permissions through long email threads is disorganized. A transparent on-chain ledger makes the licensing terms clear and verifiable to both you and the licensee. To configure this, you define your specific license parameters. You can authorize commercial use or set a specific date when the usage rights expire. If you work with co-creators, the smart contract can manage your revenue. When a payment enters the platform to license your work, the contract splits the funds and sends them directly to each collaborator's digital wallet. Setting this up in advance reduces administrative friction. The platform handles the payouts based on the rules you've set, preventing payment disputes. Programmable licensing integrates your business terms into the asset's digital record, automating the strict enforcement of your rights. While a blockchain record provides excellent evidence, it does not automatically generate legal copyright or trademark status for your work. You need to evaluate the financial value of each new asset. If a piece of content is critical to your revenue, determine if it warrants formal registration. Traditional law grants you the legal rights to sue for infringement, while the blockchain provides the supporting evidence vedant to win the case. For your highest ticket assets, the best workflow uses both. Register the hash on-chain immediately for instant proof, and then file the formal government paperwork. The blockchain is a modern evidence-gathering instrument. It supports traditional legal enforcement systems rather than replacing them. Let's review the final state. You now possess a verifiable, time-stamped record and a framework for licensing your asset. The next step is to transform this into a repeatable operating procedure for all of your future high-value output. Make it a habit to apply this process to every premium campaign asset, new digital product, or template before you publish. By institutionalizing this workflow, you build a foundation of verifiable ownership for every asset in your portfolio.